Can you use a DSCR loan for a short term rental property? And here's what you need to know because you can. If you're an investor who loves the cash flow potential of Airbnb or short term rentals, you might be wondering, can I use a DSCR loan to finance one? And the short answer is yes, but there's a few catches. What is a DSCR loan? Well, a debt service coverage ratio loan, or a DSCR loan, is designed for real estate investors who want to qualify based on property cash flow and not personal income. So lenders look at the ratio between the property's net operating income, or NOI, and the loan's debt payments. So it's a perfect fit for long-term rental investors because the income stream is predictable. But what about short-term rentals? That's where it gets a little tricky. So, can you use DSCR loans for short-term rentals? The answer is yes, you can, but only certain lenders allow it. So it limits the lender pool. Most DSCR lenders prefer 12-month leases or long-term tenants, which can provide consistent income data for underwriting. Short-term rentals, on the other hand, can have seasonal dips, variable occupancy, and volatile nightly rates, all of which can make lenders a little more cautious. So if you already have a proven track record with short-term rental income or can show consistent Airbnb or VRBO revenue statements, your chances are going to improve slightly. And why some lenders avoid short-term rentals? Well, lenders like stability, and when they underwrite DSCR loans, they're assessing how reliably a property can cover its mortgage payments. In a short-term rental, even one that performs well, carries more uncertainty because income can fluctuate based on tourism trends and local regulations. It's happening in Galveston. Platforms like Airbnb and VRBO can change policies. And it's harder to project annual income without long-term leases. So as a result, the lender pool is smaller, but that doesn't mean it's impossible either. So, how do you improve your odds of getting an approval? Well, if you want to use a DSCR loan for a short-term rental, it helps to show income proof, whether from Airbnb, VRBO, or property management income report to document performance, or possibly AirDNA too. Work with a flexible broker and partner with an advisor who has access to multiple lenders, not just one or two. That's the key. And you consider hybrid models. So some lenders prefer midterm leases, 3 to 6 months for corporate housing, or traveling nurses, which can strike a balance between cash flow and predictability. Another way to help is have strong reserves. Extra liquidity reassures lenders in case of one-offs or seasonal vacancies that you'll be able to manage. So here are the final thoughts. A DSCR loan can fund your next short-term rental. You'll just need the right lender and documentation to make it happen. If you're an investor exploring Airbnb, VRBO, or short-term rentals, Medallion Funds can connect you to lenders who understand your goals and get creative with the underwriting. So let's turn your rental income into scalable wealth, one property at a time. That is it for the day, my friends. You can visit my website to get more information and schedule a call, billrapponline.com. That's it for the day. Have a good one.